Happy morning, everyone, and welcome to day 19 of our magic book journey. Isn't it interesting? We reached day 19. Awesome. So happy.
Happy morning.
Happy
Happy morning.
morning. And today's chapter is about magic footsteps. And you'll really fall in love with this chapter. It's so beautiful to do these, to walk on these footsteps. Every step that you take is magical. So yes, anybody has anything to share, anything to ask, any sharings? Yes, anybody wants to share anything? Come on. I want to hear something from anyone. Uma, I can't hear you. You are muted.
Okay. Yeah. There's always magic on your hair. There's lot of stars and sparkles on your hair.
Oh, really?
They're like, something coming and going. Like those stars in the pictures.
Oh, really? Awesome. I can't see.
On your head. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, auntie. Really, Uma auntie says right thing.
I'm right, no? Okay.
Yeah.
So, how is it? Come on, say anything. Just share your experience. Okay, how was the assignment yesterday? How was it? Did you pick up those three things? Or did you make a list first? So the list, kiska list endless ho gaya tha. You know, there were many things,
Oh,
more
I
than
forgot
three.
to make a list. I only wrote those 3 points. That's it. I forgot to make a list.
Yeah, so just read the assignment before. It's always there on the chat.
Yeah.
एक बार, just read it, read the magic practice, and then start doing. It makes a difference because we get caught in so many other things, na? So we just try, it goes away from our minds. That's fine. So you can do it again today. Okay, so I today I don't know what happened when I was writing the count my blessings in the morning. So every blessing which I was writing. So yesterday, okay, let me talk of yesterday's assignment. Yesterday's assignment, when I sat down to write, it was, there were many things which came which needed to be addressed, and when I just picked those three things. So it was not from your dream list. It was, any other thing other than your dream list. It could be something from your dream list, but it preferably something else, because every time we're getting an opportunity to touch different areas of your life, don't miss that opportunity. That's what these magic practices are all about. Okay, so when I picked up and when I wrote, and beautiful thing is that every time you pen it down, every time you pen down something, and you take it out from your headspace, and it's in the book, and it's there in front of you, you've actually done a very good thing to your subconscious mind. You've emptied that part of the mind, and once it is on the paper, then it, words have their power. Even if they are written down, even if they are spoken, if they are not spoken, they're just written down, they carry certain vibrations, and then the thing starts moving. So actually, whatever I wrote, I felt, that yes, it's already started, I've already got it. It really felt like that. And today morning, when I was writing count my blessings, so I wrote the first blessing, and then suddenly something within me said that let me read this, whatever I've written, the first one only. And I read and I said, Thank you, thank you, thank you. Then I went to the second one. And like that, so, and then in the end, again, what the assignment tells us that you read everything, reread your list, and then say thank you. So first was thank you, thank you, thank you happened 30 times. And then again, I did 30 times. So it was 60 times already said thank you. And today's chapter is about the magic footsteps. So, for people who have read the chapter and people who have done it previously, you know how many times you say thank you, thank you. So already it's so when this, then when so after writing Count My Blessings, I generally go through the chapter once or maybe before, but today I did it afterwards. So when I was reading the chapter, I said, wow, what is happening today? Only for the first time, this thing happened to me. And today's chapter is about the magic footsteps where you have to say 100 times or more than 100 times, depending upon how much you are enjoying it. And so actually, already it happened 60 times. And when I woke up in the morning, then when I was walking towards my kitchen and when I sat and, I was remembering everything and planning the day. And so it was really a magical day today. And I was really, really feeling, you know, something else only. It was something else. And it is something else. Not it was, but it is something else. Yeah. So anybody else has any sharings? And believe me, when you wake up in the morning and when you recapitulate, recollect of the previous day's chapter, then your understanding is something different, absolutely different. Today morning, when I saw the picture, what is there, na? We always decode the picture, and there was a different understanding to it. So because everything was different, so the understanding was different, the happiness was different, the joy was different, the feelings were completely different today. And I really felt that I'm in this world but not in this world. So that was a real good experience which I had today, and I really felt like sharing with you all. So yes. Okay, anybody is getting any feeling of this sort that, whenever you go, whenever you are in an open space, since the time we have, especially in the last few days, we are in the third week of the chapter of this book. So whenever, supposing you are in a garden or you're walking in a road with your own inner silence, not that constant chatter going on in the mind that I have to do this, do this, do this, do this, but there are moments now when we actually connect with the space where we are in. So that time, do you feel that, you are in a different world? You are in this world, but you're not in this world. Something different is there. Anybody has felt like this? Yes, no? किसी को ऐसा महसूस हुआ है कि आप जहाँ चल रहे हो वहां हो, लेकिन आप वहां नहीं हो, आप कहीं और ही हो? ऐसा हुआ है? यस, नो, एटलीस्ट राइट यस और नो. इट्स फाइन अगर नहीं हुआ है या हुआ है, just write yes, no. Or you can unmute yourselves and say.
Maybe sometimes you're not connected with the present. Huh? You're just blank, floating. I don't know if that is the same.
But then that time, are you feeling an unusual, you're in an unusual space of happiness and joy?
Yes, yes, yes.
Lovely, lovely. Awesome. So this is, I think, what my perception is. You can also look it for yourself whenever, I mean, right now also you can think that what I feel is that, every moment there are some external energies. We could be our spirit guides or could be our ascended masters, or, we always connected with them and they're always ready to help us. So one way of looking at it is that. Another way is that in the magical world, when you are in that uh, unknown but known world, because the magic is always there with you. So our smaller mind says that is unknown, but if we look from our bigger mind, it is known to us every single moment from the time we are born. You feel actually connected to that world. You actually feel that you are floating in that world. So that is the beauty of this book. This book is leading us every single day we are moving closer. We are moving closer to our dreams, of course. And the more and more we experience the closeness towards our dreams or towards that magical world, the more and more our consciousness changes. Matlab, our entire personality is going to change now. Just be with it now. Just be with it. Especially the last 2 weeks are really, really, magical. Every assignment, my invitation to all of you is, don't underestimate a single assignment, single magic practice. So today's practice, if there are some people who are not there on the call and you feel that what is it, it's just, I know everything. So the moment you come from that domain, that I know everything, your evolution, your growth stops, because every day is a new learning. You've seen for yourself now, every word that you read yesterday or day before yesterday, or maybe years back, what you read in childhood, or now, or when you taught your kids, and now when you read that, their understanding is completely different. Even your spiritual books, if you read, if you read the Bhagavad Gita or the Bible or the Quran, every time there is a different understanding. So every day comes with a new understanding. So never come from that domain wherein you feel that, I know everything. Just feel that every chapter that we read, just feel that I don't know anything today. And the moment you come from that space now, things start unfolding in front of you in a very, very different way. So it's not that just I'm saying, I've actually experienced it. The moment I feel, okay, I know this chapter, I'm not going to do anything today. And I know this, supposing I've taken a book which I've already read. It could be Bhagavad Gita, it could be any self-help book, it could be Ikigai, which I had read. So, any book which I'm holding, and I feel, no, I know, I've read this. But still, the inner part of me says that read it again. Maybe you'll find something else. Because remember this, the first page of this book was that every word has a riddle, is in the form of a riddle. And every time we read, we have a different understanding. Okay. So with that understanding, with that faith in ourselves, in our own understanding, let's start reading today's chapter. So that is how you're going to, from today onwards, let's live every moment of our lives like that. Even if if you're working in the kitchen and you've made one vegetable or one dish so many times, every time the taste is different. Yes, no? Because okay, so yes, I can see Uma nodding her head. Anybody else can, say yes, no, that every time you make something, the taste is different, because your mind
Yes.
is different. You're putting your, your mental state is different. You try to incorporate kuch और ingredients डालते हैं आप, जैसे just a simple vegetable as a potato vegetable or a bhindi vegetable. There's so many different ways of making it, isn't it? So let's look at our lives like that. जो हमने अभी तक की life हमने lead की है, you know. Let's think out of the box now. Let's think out of the box for anything. For anything, you're going and meeting someone, just drop the past and feel that yes, now something new is coming. I'm going to experience something new. Something wonderful is always on the verge of happening. Every moment something wonderful is happening. And these, the every time, if you can write this in the morning, or you can just say to yourself when you wake up in the morning, thank you, thank you, thank you for the great news coming to me today. And you feel it completely, that yes, the great news is coming, and it's right there. It's right there in this house, in this moment, in this mind, in this body. Feel it, feel it in every breath. And you will see that your every moment will become magical. So, who all have started writing this? Thank you for the great news coming to me today. Who all
Ma'am, I
has,
just wrote right now. Asya. Yeah, I just wrote it right now,
Why
and I had
in
said it when you when you had first said it. I had written it. And one more thing I wanted to ask you: the
Yeah.
magic list, we have to write it throughout the day, or in the morning.
Magic.
The thank you list. The thank you list.
Count your blessings.
Yeah, the count your blessings should be the first thing in the morning.
So we had discussed first 45 minutes when you wake up in the morning.
Okay.
Especially, I this is my personal feeling that first 5-10 minutes when I am in that in between sleep state, when my eyes are a little, that feeling is there that I want to sleep again or something, that
Okay.
that state, if you write now, then it's completely different. You can just experience for yourself. You
Yeah.
can write different times, and you see
Okay.
which time do you feel more connected with yourself.
Okay.
Okay, so ideally, this chapter, this book also tells us to write it first thing in the morning. This
Okay.
is the line, first thing in the morning. Yes,
Okay.
lovely.
Acha.
Thank you for
Thank you.
asking. Thank you. Yes, anybody else is writing and has experienced anything or started experiencing any difference you felt?
I had wanted to write great news coming to me today, but I meant to write it, didn't happen. I thought I'll write this every day.
But
And
why it didn't happen, Uma?
I just remember now. Now I just remember now.
Yeah, so you start writing now. Yeah, and see the difference. We'll today's Saturday. Let's talk. Maybe in 2-3 days you'll find a difference. But actually feel it. Be like that child. That आएगा ही कुछ भी हो, it's going to come. It's going to come, and it is there. It is not going to. It is there. Thank you for the great news coming to me today. It is there. Right now also you can just give an intent, because intentions formed into words enfold magical power. Yeah, so best thing is what I can share, only what I am doing. So I just do it, from the time I have been doing it. As I shared last time, I think it's more than 1.5 months only. And I've started doing it. So if I'm not mistaken, last time when we read that chapter, from that day onwards I was doing it. So it's been more than 1.5 months. Yeah, and every single day someone or the other, in some form or other, whether it's my husband will come and give me some good news, or my son will come and give me some good news, or some friend will call and give me some good news, or my brother will call me, and something or the other is it happens, or my maybe some neighbors will come and give me some good news. Anything you will hear out of the blue, it will come. Yeah, so let's start reading today's chapter. Just wanted to share and took an opportunity to share all this today, because today's chapter is a small chapter. It's not a long chapter, but it's a very, very powerful chapter. And you'll fall in love with this chapter. People who are doing this chapter for the first time, you'll really, really fall in love with this chapter. So it's one of my favorites. So yes, so let's look at this picture and solve the riddle. Let's become like kids. Let's drop our analytical mind or our logical mind and enter into this picture. Can we do that? Can we enter into this picture? Have you ever tried entering into a picture? Let's try that today. Let's go deep inside the picture, knowing that the picture is there, but the picture is not there. How would you go into that space?
Vandana, can you share the other bit of it also, the half bit, because that shows the
Footsteps.
that shows the footstep.
Yeah, it shows the starting of the footsteps, but here everything, all the footsteps are
Other
there.
things are there, yes.
So we are lucky that this picture is, it's nice. We don't have to
It's a
start
sea
with this
beach.
picture. We can understand it. Yes, please.
It's a sea beach.
It's a sea beach. Okay.
And on
Wherever
sand there are footsteps
footsteps, wherever we go, magic is there.
there.
Yes, nice way to look at it. Yes, wherever we go, magic is always there. Yes. Who said? Somebody said it's a seaside. Okay, so whenever you want to speak anything, unmute yourself because there's a lot of voice coming from behind. What is this voice, this noise? It kind of little bit distracts us. So let's avoid doing that and let's take the responsibility of muting yourself. And then whenever you want to speak, you can unmute and then again mute yourself. It takes just 1 second to do that. Yes, so yes. Yes, who else wants to say anything? There are these, look minutely, you can see this magic and these are the magic footsteps. So the next picture, I mean the next, see you can see these footsteps, yeah? And everybody's there.
On the every footstep, there is a magic.
Every footstep is magic. Oh my God, who's this?
Puja.
Yeah, no, I'm sorry, I'm not asking you this. Somebody who's making, who's talking, I don't know. Okay, yes. If you want to talk, talk to us, please. Yes, talk about the picture.
There is sparkles on
Ishita
the
here.
footsteps.
Sorry, there is?
Sparkles on the footstep.
There's sparkle on the footstep.
Yeah. It's
Yes.
magic dust.
Yes, yes, lovely.
We are like some genie and the magic is just along with us everywhere.
Okay. Lovely, lovely. What else? So now let's, so what this chapter, so whatever we have, you know, little glimpses we have of everyone. Now can we join the dots? What is this? Today's chapter is magic footsteps. Now can you join the dots? Keeping the power, the magical power of gratitude in your mind. Can
There are
we?
mountains also, like behind,
Lovely. Yes. Wow.
and some little huts
Okay.
on the corner.
You've actually entered the picture. Amazing. I never saw this. Little huts you're seeing on the right hand side.
Yes.
Wow. Awesome. Lovely.
Huts of building now.
Yes. Yes. Awesome. And you can see the mountains also. Wow. Never saw. And on top of the mountain also there is some light, na? Little, so it feels that the houses are there on top of the mountain also, right? Can you see it in the center of the picture? Where you're seeing the mountain? Mountain,
Top of the mountain.
sorry?
Top of the mountain.
Yeah.
We are at the top of the mountain now.
Oh yeah, yes. You are on top of the world. Yes. Lovely.
And with the power of gratitude, each and every step where we go, there is a magic. Magic never ends.
Yes, magic never ends. And unusual thing is that this time, every time we have seen the magic falling from above. Now this time the magic is on Mother Earth. It's in the footsteps, so it is on the ground. It's on the ground. It's on Mother Earth.
And within us. Magic is within us.
Magic is within us. Wow.
And magic gratitude is leading the way. Magic is leading the way. Magical way or path.
Yes, 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 Uma. Elaborate on this. Lovely.
So it's gratitude is leading the way into a magical world or something, you know, like that.
Yeah. Complete the dots. Join the dots. You are going beautiful.
So it is leading the way to a beautiful world, which will be magical as per your dreams, you know.
Which is magical, and you're moving closer to your dreams.
Yes.
Yes. So this is what came to me in the morning also, and I've written it down that every magical step filled with gratitude is taking you closer to your dreams. Every magical
Okay.
step that you're taking, see, so many magical steps we take during the day, but we are not aware of it. And so when we are with taking every step with gratitude, with thankfulness, with an open heart, and logics in the mind are not there much, then we are actually walking in the path of gratitude, this magical path, what you said, Uma, and we are going closer to our dreams, our goals, our desires. And most important is this world is filled with light. That's what I felt, that there is light. There is light coming from underneath, there's light coming from below, and light of Mother Earth, which always is there with us. And let's not forget about that light also. And there is water, there is seaside, so there is water, there is earth, there's this light which is coming from above, and everywhere there is light. Light in every footstep. We take endless steps during the day, right? So today's chapter is going to tell us that how to use those steps to convert your day into a lightful day, blessing. Every step becomes a blessing for you. And I'm just remembering this theory of relativity of Einstein, which says that nothing, no object, nothing can travel faster than the speed of light. So here there is light, below there is light, above, if you can just visualize it. So the faster than the speed of light is, the gratitude. Nothing can travel faster than the speed of gratitude, because gratitude is what? It's closest to the light. If we can see that way, beautiful perspective of gratitude is that you are more closer to the light. That's why you can manifest. Now you can manifest whatever you're thinking. That's why it's called the magical world, right? So in this world of dualities, wherein we have so much dualities in everything, this world is much, much different from the world of dualities. That's why it's called the magical world. And there is so much light there. So, if we are in that space of gratitude, we learn how to travel faster. We learn how to evolve faster, because you are feeling that oneness with the light. Yes? Does it make sense? Yes,
Yeah.
no?
Ma'am, yeah, yes. Ma'am, there's a fence also opposite.
There's a fence.
That wall is there,
Okay. Is
and
that
the
a
road is
fence?
S-shaped. There's an S-shaped road.
L-shaped road.
S.
S-shaped road.
Yeah,
Okay.
S-shaped road, and we can go behind the mountains also, like I see.
Okay. Okay. Awesome. Lovely. Where are you seeing the fence here? You're talking of this?
Yes, that's a wall or something, no?
Yeah, these are the bushes, I feel.
Okay.
Yeah, and there's an S shape. This is the S shape, okay? And you can go behind the mountains also, and there is magic waiting for you there also.
Yes, there's a wall also I can see.
Yeah, this wall, yeah.
Yeah, wall.
Okay. Yeah. So beautiful now when we look into the detailing, so many things have surfaced up. This building or huts or houses are there, then the mountain peaks are there, and you feel on top of the world, you feel you're on top of the mountain. Wow. That was the visualization which we did yesterday, and you remembered it. Awesome. Awesome. So yes, really enjoyed looking into the picture today. So many things revealed to us. Now let's read the chapter and explore every word and decode every word and understand the riddles in this chapter. It's a very, very small chapter today, but it's a very, very powerful chapter. Actually, it will take you closer to your dreams, closer to your heart, closer to yourself, closer to what you are. Yes, please, who wants to read, you can unmute yourselves and start reading. And I'm just
Ma'am,
giving seconds.
ma'am, I'll read today.
Yes.
Okay.
Asia, is that Asia?
Yeah. Yes.
Awesome. Awesome. Yes.
Okay. 100 times every day, I remind myself that my inner and outer life depend on the labors of other men, living and dead, and that I must exert myself in order to give in the same measure as I have received and am still receiving. Albert Einstein, 1879 to 1955, Nobel Prize winning physicist.
These lines are really, 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 really beautiful. Let's decode these lines too in our own way. You know, हम अपनी अपनी life में we can see कि हम इसे कैसे decode कर सकते हैं. Just imagine Albert Einstein, who was a Nobel Prize winning physicist. We all have heard of Einstein, isn't it? When it comes to discoveries, Einstein का नाम पहले आता है. And suppose, you know, it's a saying also, कि when somebody is really intelligent, we say that that person is an Einstein. You know, we say that, na? Yes, no, we've heard this, yeah, we've heard this line. So that person also used to remind himself 100 times every day. What? That my inner and outer life, he was so grateful that every day 100 times he used to remind. So I mean, it's not a joke that you remind yourself 100 times. You know, we don't remind ourselves once also, but let's do it from today itself. That so whatever I am today, it's because of the contribution of so many people. You know, when so the first people who come to my mind are the soldiers, you know, who are on the border every single moment protecting us. Then the people who gave us independence, you know, the independent India, whatever we are able to do, whatever we are able to experience, whatever we are able to, you know, however beautifully we are able to live our life is because of so many people. So just remember them, you know, till it when I mean right now, till the time when I'm talking and explaining or we are reading the chapter, you can just shut your eyes and for few minutes just pay respect to all those people who have toiled their lives, who have worked day and night with all their efforts, you know, and they have made the life what it is today. Without them, we wouldn't have been existing. For and most important also that you know, the people who have created the structure of the cities and towns and where we are living, labors of other men, जो लोगों ने श्रम किया है, परिश्रम किया है हमको ऐसी जिंदगी देने के लिए, whether they are living or dead, it doesn't matter. So then what should I do? I should exert myself in order to give in the same measure as I have received and I'm still receiving. Are we ever grateful to whatever we have got? Have we ever thought, some of us might have thought that, you know, or, you know, before reading this book or before we have actually come to this part of the book, that have we ever thought of giving back to the society? Have we ever thought of giving back to the society whatever we have got? So, you know, for people who have done it for the second time and will do it, who are going to do it again, and you feel confident about yourself, you can start giving the knowledge of this chapter, of this book, the magic book, to people around you, to your kids, to your staff, to your colleagues, to your employees, you know. So you can start giving, sharing this knowledge with others, and you can start your own book reading sessions, start giving to the society in your own regional language. You can do it. Just start giving and think what are the means you can start giving. Just imagine a person like Einstein used to think, then who are we? Let us all start giving whatever we have received. Why do we give? Because as a measure, you know, as a mark of respect of whatever people have given us, of, you know, whatever we've received till now, and we are still receiving. It's not that it stopped. It's a never ending process. We are always receiving. So whether it's in the form of knowledge, whether it's in the form of services, whether it's in the form of anything. So I feel, you know, that it's the kind of seva that we do. It could be that you can touch that part of your life also. You can touch that part also, you know, or you can just think of innovative ways how you can give back. Yeah. So let's continue with those words.
With those words, Einstein gave us a gift equal to his scientific discoveries. He gave us one of the magical secrets to his success, gratitude every day. Einstein is the inspiration behind today's magical practice, and you are going to follow in his footsteps to bring success to your life today. Like Einstein, you will say thank you 100 times, and you are going to do it by thanking 100 magic footsteps.
By taking 100 magic footsteps.
Yeah.
While
Why?
it might
It
seem
might seem unbelievable to you that taking footsteps can make a difference to your life. You will discover that it is one of the most powerful things you can do. God gave you a gift of 86,400 seconds today. Have you used one to say thank you? William A. Ward, 1921 to 1994 writer.
have we ever thought, did we ever knew till we read just now, and maybe we read it earlier also, but I can talk about myself. When I read this chapter again yesterday and today morning, I actually felt, how could I forget? Last time I read, and before that also, I read so many times, but it just comes out of your mind, just skips from your mind. But when that's the whole, point, that's the whole beauty of reading again and again. So when I read yesterday, and I felt, wow, now I'm not going to take it out from my mind. Let me just store it in my mind, that there is that this gift of 86,400 seconds I have every day, and how am I using it? Am I doing justice to myself? Am I doing, am I saying thank you? Am I just being grateful to whatever I have? And how many of you just resonated with what the example which we spoke yesterday, that there are more than 24 hours in a day. You're getting 1 month extra in a year. Did it make sense to you? Yes, no, you can write it on the chat. Yesterday's chapter also we shared that how there are 13 months in a year. Did it make sense to you? Yes, no. It really made a lot of sense to me. Yes, no, anybody? Nobody wants to say anything. Do you remember? You don't remember that we had spoken that example which we spoke of, that mathematical calculation.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So then remembering that and remembering this, there are so many seconds which we have. How many? 86,400 seconds. Amazing calculation of this person, William A. Ward. Thank you to this person, that to just bring it to our awareness, that so many seconds, and out of that, even half of it, if we give, used to say thank you, then you will be in a different space altogether. Yes, but most of the time we are sleeping only. Yeah, so let's look into our lives now from today, this moment onwards. Yes, please continue.
To take magical footsteps, you take one step and in your mind say the magic words thank you as your foot touches the ground, and then again say thank you as your other foot touches the ground. One foot, thank you, next foot, thank you, and continue saying the magic words with every footstep. The best thing about magic footsteps is that you can take any number of magic footsteps anywhere at any time, through your house from one room to another, walking to get your lunch or coffee, taking the trash out, walking to a business meeting, on your way to catch a cab, train, or bus. You can take magic footsteps on your way to anything that is important to you, like exams, a date, a job, interview, an audition, to meet a client, to the bank, ATM, dentist, doctor, hairdresser, to see your team play in a sports game, down corridors, through airport terminals and parks, or from one block to another.
Yes, so now what we have to do is we have to take magic footsteps. One step, thank you. then in your mind you're saying, you can whisper it to yourself. It really works wonderful when you whisper to yourself, because then your mind is there in the now, when you do that. And the whisper feels good to the body also and to the mind also. So you could do that way also, because I have tried that way. That's the reason I'm sharing with you all. Thank you as your foot touches the ground, and again say thank you as the other foot touches the ground. So you how many times, and this chapter will tell us as we go through, that don't count your footsteps. Once you know that from this area to this area is 100 magic footsteps or more is welcome. You can take more than 100 footsteps. So then when you know that this is from this point, whether it's from my room to the kitchen, or from my kitchen to the ground floor, wherever, I mean to the shop where I go every day, or to the garden where I go, or to the temple where I go, or anything, any space you can just remember in your mind. Ek baar aapko karna padega, then you know that this is the place where I can take my magic footsteps, and then it becomes a real ritual for you. It really becomes a ritual for you. जैसे हम रोज मंदिर जाते हैं ना, वैसे ही ये एक रिचुअल हो जाता है कि टेकिंग मैजिक फुटस्टेप्स. एंड अगर आप यू कैन जस्ट fix that one place in the garden, if you're walking in the garden every day, कि इस पेड़ से उस पेड़ तक मुझे magic footsteps लेने हैं. And so now this chapter makes sure that you don't give yourself any excuse that I don't remember to take a magic footstep, because these are the daily things which you do. For people who are studying, they go to school, or they go to college, or they go to give the exams. So before that, you just take these magic footsteps. So then you are in that magical world, and anything after that, when you do, it will be a success for you. Believe me, it will be a success for you. A job interview where you're feeling nervous, what will happen, and the mind is, the mind has already started creating stories. What if I don't get this? Sometimes it happens. People who are not confident about themselves, they start thinking that way. Or even, for people who are confident, that nervousness comes at that time, that what will happen, what questions will be asked, how will I answer, will I be confident, like that. So then that time, if you take your magic footsteps, so you can guide people, to just say this, or first yourself experience it. You meet a client, you go to the bank. So I remember, for me, every time I go to the bank, I don't know, I'm not sure about myself, that how will I, because maybe since my childhood, I didn't go much to the bank. And now also, since everything is online, so every time I go to the bank, I feel that unusual nervousness. And I don't know, that kind of a feeling. I don't know how to do it. I don't know how will I do, or which counter will I go, and all that feeling comes. So that time, if you take the magical footsteps, then it really changes your entire consciousness. Going to an ATM, dentist, doctor, hairdresser, sports game, down the corridors, airport terminals, in parks, from one block to another. So all the possibilities this chapter is giving us, ki now you can't give any excuse, that you don't, it doesn't come into your mind that, how to express my gratitude, how to express my thankfulness. That is for sure that you are going to walk, even if you're going from your house to down where the car is parked, and till the time you open your car, till that time also, if you just start practicing, you are in the lift, just do. But the suggestion is that when we do a concentrated practice, which the book is going to tell us further, so let's read, let's not talk about it. Yeah, please continue.
I take magic footsteps around my home, from my bed to my bathroom, kitchen to my bedroom, and outside to my car and the mailbox. Whenever I walk down a street or walk anywhere, I choose a point as my destination, and I put gratitude in my footsteps all the way. If you take notice of how you're feeling before you begin, then you will notice a big difference in how you feel after you have been taken magic footsteps. It doesn't matter if you can't get much of a feeling of gratitude while you are taking them. I promise you will still feel happier, more feeling down, magic footsteps will make you
Just a
feel
minute,
better.
just a minute. Your voice went away. So read the sentence. I promise you will still feel.
I promise you will still feel happier afterward. If you are feeling down, magic footsteps will make you feel better. And even if you are feeling great, magic footsteps will lift your spirits even higher. To take the most effective magic footsteps, take magic footsteps for about 90 seconds. This is how it will take the average person to take 100 steps at a leisurely pace. This practice is not about taking 100 steps exactly, but taking at least that number of steps, because it will probably take that number of footsteps to make a difference to the way you feel. Once you are clear on the approximate distance, you can take your 100 footsteps. You can take your 100 steps of gratitude anytime during the day. Don't count the footsteps when you are doing the practice, because you will be counting instead of saying thank you, the magic words with each step. When you have completed today's magical practice, you will have said the magic words thank you 100 times. How many days of your life have you said thank you 100 times? And Einstein did it every day.
Yes, so if you take notice of how you're feeling, very important, very, very important, just to understand the intensity, the magic of this practice. We all have now, till now, we all have the flavor, different flavors of gratitude. And this is the ultimate flavor. This is the icing on the cake. This is the cherry on the cake. If you really सी चेक योर सेल्फ दैट क्या आप कैसा महसूस कर रहे हैं पहले सपोजिंग जस्ट यू कैन ट्राई इट फॉर योर सेल्फ इफ यू आर फीलिंग नॉट you're feeling below in the feeling chart, you're below the line, you're feeling worried, you're feeling angry, or you're feeling very low, depressed, or there is some kind of anxiety coming in you. It really works with anxiety. When people who are anxious now, it really works beautiful with them. So if you have kids and the kids are feeling anxious before the exams, there are some kids now who don't remember anything. They feel अरे मुझे कुछ भी याद नहीं हो रहा है. Yes, no, anybody knows any kid like that?
Ma'am, my kid is like that. He gets nervous before Hindi exam.
Yeah, so
This time I gave him this thought that you know everything, you just think that, and he felt very nice when he completed his Hindi exam. And today itself I get that thought from him back in train. I was traveling from train tonight. I just landed, मतलब अभी मैं आई हूँ घर पे
हाँ,
at my uncle's place. And रात को क्या हुआ कि वो ऊपर अपर बर्थ पे सोया था. I was
हाँ,
on the middle berth.
हाँ,
But I was feeling very nervous. मतलब मुझे ना थोड़ा फोबिया जैसा है
हाँ,
मिडल बर्थ या अपर बर्थ में सोने के. तो at night I started feeling that. तो
हाँ,
मैं नीचे आ गई and I slept on the side lower berth.
हाँ,
And he woke up at 3 o'clock.
हम्म,
और जब वो उठ गया तो उसने देखा तो मम्मा नहीं है. तो वो थोड़ा नर्वस पहले हुआ. Then he came to middle berth, sat for an hour. वो ऐसे सोच रहा था मम्मी कहाँ गई. उसने ऐसे सोचा कि मम्मी शायद नीचे उतर गई होगी और रह गई रात को जब मैं सो गया था. Then he thought कि मम्मी ने मुझे बोला है अच्छे थॉट माइंड में लाने का. अगर आप माइंड में अच्छे थॉट लाओगे तो सब अच्छा होगा.
हाँ,
तो सडनली ही रिमेम्बर्ड कि मम्मी के शूज नीचे पड़े हैं. मतलब मम्मी ट्रेन से बाहर नहीं गई है. देन उसने सोचा मम्मी वॉशरूम में भी नहीं गई क्योंकि शूज है. मम्मी शूज के बगैर वॉशरूम नहीं जाएगी. उसके बाद में उसने सोचा कि तो अभी मम्मी गई कहाँ है, अभी मैं कैसे ढूंढूं. ही इज जस्ट 10. हाँ. देन उसने सोच वहां बैठा रहा. फिर उसने एक अंकल जो उठे थे ना उनको बोला आप मुझे आपका फोन दोगे, मुझे मेरी मम्मी को कॉल करना है. I was just next compartment, but he didn't get nervous at that time. उसने सोचा मम्मी ने बोला है अच्छे थॉट माइंड में लाना, कुछ भी बुरा नहीं होगा. एंड ही आज उसने मुझे यही बात रिपीट बताई तो मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा कि मैंने सिर्फ एक ही बार उसको समझाया है और उसने इतना अच्छे से उसको प्रैक्टिस किया. और ऐसे ये उसके हिंदी एग्जाम के दिन हुआ था जब मैंने उसको ये थॉट दिया कि आपको सब आता है, आप जरा भी चिंता नहीं करना। तो उसको सब आ गया, उसको मतलब आया या नहीं आया, बट ही वाज नॉट नर्वस।
So powerful that you just shared. So powerful. So now you can tell him to do his magic footsteps. So I was coming to that. Ki before they give the exams, before they go to do the exams, the children really enjoy doing all this. बच्चों में actually they are into the magical world. इसलिए मुझे उनको एक शब्द भी हम बोले ना, एक थॉट भी हम देना, तो उनको बिल्कुल उनके जहन में, उनके दिल में उतर जाता है. एंड दे स्टार्ट फॉलोइंग इट. बिकॉज उनको टच क्यों करता है? बिकॉज ऑलरेडी वो उस वर्ल्ड में ही है. ऑलरेडी वो हमारे लोगों के हम जो इनपुट्स उनको देते हैं उससे वो वर्ल्ड से दूर निकलते जाते हैं. उनको फिर समझ नहीं आता, फिर वो ये वर्ल्ड को रियल समझने लग जाते हैं. बट दे आर ऑलरेडी इन द मैजिकल वर्ल्ड. दैट्स द रीजन आई एम really wanting to do for these young people now from April 1st. शाम को 6 to 7 I'm starting this patch for them, because बच्चों के साथ में you really learn so much. उनको मतलब उनको अगर आपने एक ऐसा कुछ बोला ना, तो वो देखिए आपके बच्चे ने एक खाली सेंटेंस को कैच किया और उसने कितनी अच्छे से कनेक्ट किया उस इंसिडेंट को. he didn't feel fearful, नहीं हुआ, नर्वस नहीं हुआ, एंड he knew. उसको उस टाइम वो मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट वो सेंटेंस आपकी बोली हुई याद आ गई, because it touched his heart.
Yeah.
And the way you felt, because आपने भी एकदम फीलिंग के साथ बोला, फेथ के साथ बोला, ऐसे नहीं कि आपने ऐसे ही बोल दिया उसे.
बोल दिया, हाँ.
So that really made a difference. So really thankful for sharing. I'm really thankful to you for sharing this, because it opens up a lot of things in others' mind also. We
Yeah.
all learn from the sharings. Or now you can tell your son to take these magical footsteps. Just tell him,
Sure.
and he'll really enjoy, and you do with him first.
Yeah,
Children
sure,
really respond to the demonstrative behavior, because वो हमारे एनर्जी से बहुत जल्दी कनेक्ट होते हैं. वो कोई भी अच्छी चीज की एनर्जी से बहुत जल्दी कनेक्ट होते हैं.
हो जाते हैं.
And sometimes so that's our हमारी एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, हमारी ड्यूटी है कि उन्हें ऐसी एनर्जी से कैसे हम अवगत कराएं, कैसे और उनको हम बताएं ऐसी चीजें. So this is really beautiful. So you can do this and let me know how did it feel. Yeah.
Sure, ma'am.
And
Sure.
So this is a beautiful age where he is in.
I thank you कि आपने मुझे ये समझाया, तो मैंने उसको ये समझाया.
Thank you for following it.
Okay.
You really did
Yeah.
it. You took it and you took it further. Thank you so much. So
Thank you,
I
ma'am.
promise you, this is the promise of the book, that you will even अगर आप अच्छे फीलिंग में हो तो भी करोगे, तो और ज्यादा अच्छी फीलिंग में उड़ने लगोगे. और अगर आप थोड़ा भी लो फील कर रहे हो, एंशियस फील कर रहे हो, वरीफुल फील कर रहे हो, फ्यूचर की चिंता हो रही है, पास्ट की कुछ इरिटेबिलिटी हो रही है, कुछ भी हो रहा है, just remembering is very important. Who will remember? You yourself will remember and remind yourself कि मुझे let me try this, just give it a try. There's nothing wrong in giving a try. और वो try आप कब करोगे? जब आप पहले ही उस खुशी के स्टेट में, हैप्पीनेस के स्टेट में, जॉयफुलनेस के स्टेट में. टुडे आफ्टर द सेशन ओनली यू कैन ट्राई डूइंग इट, एंड यू विल नोटिस दैट. एंड रिमेंबर वन थिंग, डू अ कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड प्रैक्टिस. ऐसा नहीं कि आप चलते जा रहे हैं, 10 बार बोला, देन यू आर टॉकिंग टू समबडी बिकॉज आपने कुछ देख लिया घर में, किसी को इंस्ट्रक्शन देना है, अरे ये इधर धूल नहीं साफ नहीं हुआ, या नहीं सफाई नहीं हुई, या व्हाट हैव यू डन, वो ये सब्जी काटनी है, वो करना है. डोंट डू ऑल दिस. Just be with yourself at that time. That's the whole idea. घर में जब हम करते हैं तो शायद mind distract हो जाता है, because that's a habit ना. So that's nothing wrong in it. It's better when you go out, when you are on the road. When you are on the road, it really feels beautiful, because then you're not looking here and there. But I mean, I'm not telling you to just don't look here and there and you walk without looking here and there. So better is that, when you do it in a park. I felt better results when I go in a park, or maybe in my building compound down. You can just go and do concentrated practice without talking to anybody, without thinking anything else. That's the whole idea. जब आप मन में थैंक यू बोलते हो, या आप सॉफ्टली थैंक यू बोलते हो, या फिर आप विस्पर करके बोलते हो. जप दैट इज मन में बोलते हो, वो अलग इफेक्ट होता है. व्हेन यू आर विस्परिंग, it really, really, that whisper changes a lot of things in your own body and mind also. So you can try doing all the things, और फिर आप अपने लिए जो भी आपको बेस्ट लगे वो आप कर सकते हो. Okay, but do try doing all the things, all the ways of doing it. And then it says that you have to do about 90 seconds, but don't need to count. Don't ever try to count, because फिर वो आप उस feeling से थोड़ा दूर चले जाओगे. And most important is, what I have felt, that every time I'm doing this magical practice, whenever I remember to do it, and every time whenever I've done it, so whenever I look at, when I'm in the garden, I am just looking at the trees. Oh wow! And I didn't notice this tree. मतलब मैं उस garden में 2 साल से 3 साल से 6 साल से walk कर रही हूँ, and मैंने कभी ये notice ही नहीं किया जो उन magical steps में notice होता है. So the squirrel walking on the grass, then there are small ants. So you notice so many things when you are walking in that space of gratitude, when you say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. It becomes like a mantra. जैसे हम माला फिरते हैं ना, वैसे ये एक मंत्र जैसे हो जाता है. And then amazing is, बहुत कमाल की बात ये है कि वो मंत्र हो गया ना, तो now afterwards also, जब आप कुछ भी कर रहे हो, जैसे आपने ये की, आप घर पे आ गए, आप कुछ कर रहे हो, वो अपने आप अंदर से वो गूंज आने लग जाती है. थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू. चॉपिंग वेजिटेबल्स, थैंक यू. वो हैविंग अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर, थैंक यू. सो इट बिकम्स लाइक, एक लूप फॉर्म हो जाता है, एक शील्ड फॉर्म हो जाता है, एंड देन यू आर इन इट कंटिन्यूसली. सो when we have completed today's magical practice, you have said the magic words thank you 100 times. This is the minimum. You can do more than that. How many days of your life have you said thank you 100 times? हम दिन में कितनी बार, जैसे अभी तक हमने जितनी बार भी काउंट आवर ब्लेसिंग्स किया हमने, उसमें हम 10 बार अगर 10 लिखा मिनिमम, आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू, गिविंग यू एन एग्जांपल, आपने शायद 10 से ज्यादा भी लिखा होगा, बट 10 लिखा तो 10 इंटू एक बार में वापस जब रीड किए तो 3 बार थैंक यू बोला, तो कितना हुआ? 10 में हुआ हाउ मेनी? एनीबडी जस्ट राइट इट ऑन द चैट, और यू कैन से इट, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ एंड से. जब काउंट योर ब्लेसिंग्स लिखते हैं तो कितनी बार हम थैंक यू बोलते हैं? 30. यस. सो 30 टाइम्स हमने वो बोल दिया. दिन में शायद हमने कभी कोई दरवाजा खोला या कोई आया या किसी को बोला, तो वो मतलब ज्यादा से ज्यादा भी आप 30 टाइम्स और ले सकते हो, 60 टाइम्स. पर अगर आप ये कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड प्रैक्टिस, आप मैजिक फुट स्टेप्स कर रहे हो, तो आपने 100 टाइम्स ऑलरेडी बोल दिया, और जो और बोला वो तो बोनस हो गया आपके लिए. सो देन योर एंटायर डे बिकम्स amazing. So just that one example if we can take, then we'll really remember it कि क्या होता है concentrated practice से. So supposing सूर्य भगवान की रोशनी में जब एकदम noon time में आपने एक कागज का टुकड़ा रखा बाहर, तो क्या होगा? वो कागज गर्म हो जाएगा थोड़ा, या कोई स्टोन भी रखा तो वो गर्म हो जाएगा. लेट्स टेक द एग्जांपल ऑफ अ पेपर ओनली. बट देन व्हेन यू कीप द पेपर अंडर microscope, what is it called, under a magnifying glass, if you keep that paper, then what happens, वो concentrated light fall होती है उसमें, and you will feel that the paper is getting charred, थोड़ा जल रहा है साइड से. You can try it for yourself. तो this is the power of a concentrated practice. This is the power. जितना आप कोई भी प्रैक्टिस, कोई भी मैजिकल प्रैक्टिस कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड वे में करोगे, so then the outcome is completely different. The result is completely different. Okay, so you can try it for yourselves, because Einstein did it every day, and we all are aware of the discoveries of Einstein. Einstein was a genius. When it comes to intelligence, we always remember Einstein. Yes, please read magic practice number 19.
Magic practice number 19. Magic footsteps. Count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you're grateful. Reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Take 100 magic footsteps for about 90 seconds in gratitude anytime during the day. With each footstep, say and feel the magic words thank you. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words thank you for the best thing that happened during the day.
Yes, so now we have to take 100 magic footsteps, make it like a daily ritual. You can do it, you know, once yourself, and you can just, and it sometimes it's fun walking with your kids also, walking with your spouse. एक वो family ritual हो सकता है, family game हो सकता है. You can all do together, and even the elderly people in the house, if they can also do, it really works wonders. अगर आपके मदर फादर पेरेंट्स है, या कोई आंट है, अंकल है, या आपके इन लॉज है, उनके साथ भी आप ये कर सकते हो, उन्हें भी आप ये सिखा सकते हो, उन्हें बहुत मजा आएगा. And actually, what I have experienced with myself is that I always have a habit of hurrying, and वो एक time देख के काम करना, and so then sometimes I start hurrying, and I start walking faster. So what I have noticed is that whenever I do these magic footstep practice, any time of the day, my pace becomes slow and I start enjoying that pace, because throughout the day I'm running from one work to another, from one assignment to other, from one class to other, planning, then implementing it, and then thinking about every class. Even if it's a yoga class, इस student के लिए मुझे क्या करना है, what is the best I can do today, what is the best I can do in the healing today, what is the best I can do in the magic practice today. There's so many things happening. So when I am doing those magic footsteps ना, एक तो pace slow हो जाती है मेरी thought process की और action की भी. So I really enjoy that space जहाँ पे I am with myself. You are actually with yourself. Self S in capital letters. मतलब आप अपने अंदर अपने आप के जो that calm and quiet person ना, you meet that person. And you really feel nice when you take these magic footsteps. And especially जब आप thank you बोल रहे हो, जब gratitude कर रहे हो, तब तो कुछ और ही होता है, you because your mind is nowhere else. Your mind is in the present, in the now. This is the beauty of the magical footsteps. So I can say that it's like a meditation. It's like a walking meditation. Really, really, it becomes like that. And with each footstep, you say the magic words thank you. And just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words thank you for the best thing that happened during the day. Just a question: how many of you are, uh, you know, कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि दो तीन बेस्ट थिंग लग रहे हो, उसमें से एक चूज करना है? कभी ऐसा फीलिंग हुआ है जब आप मैजिक रॉक प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो? But there was someone who shared that I'm not able to do the magic rock practice because I go to sleep and I don't remember anything. Any difference has come? Was it Uma? Uma, was it you? Is Uma there?
Yes, yes.
So was it you?
Oh,
Any difference? Did you feel
uh,
the same?
no, yesterday I did a little earlier. I tried to remember it early.
Huh?
So then before going to sleep, I remembered it.
Awesome, awesome. Lovely. So thank you, Asya, for reading it for us. Thank you so much. Really enjoyed the reading. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. And yes, so now anybody has any sharings, anything to ask? So we are going to do this with our kids or people who are anxious, our spouse. Just don't impose anything on them. Just explain to them that let's do this and do a demonstrative behavior. Once we demonstrate and do and show, then it really makes a difference. And especially your kids, they'll really enjoy it. I have tried it with my kids, who come to the sessions, who come to the class when I used to do before the lockdown. So I've really tried with them, and they really enjoy it. So you can do it. Yes, I will do with my kid. Yes, and share with us what happened. Yeah. So anybody else has any sharings today? We can end the class before we end today's session.
I want to share something.
Yes, yes.
Ishita.
Uh,
So yeah, there's a lot of difference already. So
okay.
like getting appreciation or maybe feeling happy all day.
Yeah.
Like I can say I am working for almost 20 hours in the whole day. I just hardly sleep for 4 to 5 hours. But that irritation, what I used to get earlier because of the tiredness and all that, that is completely gone. And I'm like feeling happy the whole day. Even my mom and my fiance are like, "Hey, there's some change in you."
Wow,
so,
wow. So nice.
so yeah, so that is a good feeling. And then maybe getting appreciation for work or something like that, which I used to not get earlier. But after
Yeah.
giving that gratitude, the things have automatically changed.
So
So
nice. Yeah.
yeah, so I'm happy.
Yes.
And I don't
And
feel tired after doing so much. Also, I'm not tired at the end of the day. I'm like still like dancing and very bubbly and all that.
so beautiful, so beautiful. And you keep on manifesting more and more happiness in your life. That is my intent for you. And be as happy as you can be.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much for sharing. Lovely. So now actually you've started running, yeah. So this book promised us, in the beginning that third week when we step into our future, we actually start learn how to run. The
Yeah,
first
I'm
week,
actually running.
yeah, and now you'll start flying. Very soon you'll start
Yes.
flying.
And there's this greed of doing more and more. Like when yesterday we wrote the whole day to-do list kind of a thing. So then it's like कि अच्छा इतना तो कर रही हूँ मुझे और करना है मुझे और करना है. It's like that. मैं कहाँ
So
adjust
beautiful.
करूँ मैं कहाँ इसको डालूँ इसको कैसे adjust करूँ मेरे time table में. It's like that. And earlier, like my mom used to complain, "तू घड़ी देखती ही नहीं है, क्या कर रही है?" And now I'm like, I'm on the clock. Yesterday I was like, I'm the clock now. I'm not looking at the clock. I'm the clock now.
Wow. So beautiful.
Yeah.
Lovely.
So it's fun. Now I'm actually knowing myself also more better than what I used to before.
Yeah.
And there's like a lot of improvement. I know where I was like my weaknesses, my strengths. I know how to segregate that and then work on it in a way. So
Yes.
earlier people do tell you कि ये गलत है वो this is something what you're doing wrong, but you don't realize, you don't accept it. There's a uh, change in acceptance power also compared to earlier.
Yes.
So I
And
just
you,
sit and yeah, sorry.
yeah. Sorry. Yeah.
So I just sit and think that what was I earlier, what am I now, the complete difference, the complete change. So it's good.
Thank you. Thank you so much for following whatever is being told by this book. And thank you for bringing so many uh, avenues of happiness and joy in your life. I'm so happy for you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Yes, so anybody else wants to share anything before we end today's session? Really powerful sharings we got today. I'm so happy that so many of you are experiencing so many different things in your life, in your own personality. And when people around you start saying, who are the closest to you, who live with you day and night, that's where you have cracked it. That's the biggest test you have passed, because appreciation from people around you comes last. And if they are saying, then it's beautiful, beautiful.
So true.
Yes. Thank you all for sharing, and thank you for attending today's session. And just be with the magical footsteps today. You can do once, twice. There is no number of times, there's no limitation to the number of times you can do it. And keep on doing, keep on growing, keep on walking in the path of magic. Keep on exploring your own inner power. And when it comes to the word power, I'm really remembering the next book of Rhonda Byrne, where we are going to collectively read, and I'm working on that. The word power. This book, Rhonda Byrne has written another book called Power, and that's a really powerful book. So for those of you who have attended this session, and even for those of you, it's not necessary that only those who can, who are there in this session can attend that session. I mean, that book reading session. You can, just think that once अभी इससे ही इतने जादू हो रहे हैं, इतनी magic हो रही है, तो when you know your own power, from in that book everything is explained so intensively. So when we do that, it will be we'll be in a different world, different space, different galaxy altogether. So yes, so lovely. Thank you for being in this session. Thank you so much. Thank you all for all your wonderful sharings and your presence in this wonderful session. Thank you till we meet tomorrow.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.